Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, first of all, we have to discuss about how to change the background or remove the background of any picture that you can take from Google, or you can click the live pictures by your mobile or any type of your cameras as well. If you are a good photographer, then you can click or you can edit as well. I'm not a good photographer, that's why I am taking these pictures from the Google. I have some pictures here. Just look here. We have multiple pictures right here. Okay, we have multiple pictures in front of us. We can take any picture from these ones and try to change the backgrounds. Like I have already changed few ones. For example, I have changed the background of this picture. Okay. I have some other edited pictures, but right now I have to find a few pictures. Like I have edited this picture and I have edited this picture as well. As you can see, I have this picture. Okay, you can edit any type of, you can take the details from Google, or you can make some sort of the post like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it necessary that I have to tell you how to change the background or how to remove the background, or okay fine, moving to the next step? Okay fine, we have already studied about how to change the backgrounds. We have used the interface of Canva. I have a pro account and by using such account I have some amendments on this, like you can see. Okay, we have every element. Is that clear? Now we are going to discuss our Daraz seller account. First of all, you have to go to the Google and must write there Daraz seller account. When you search this, the following links will be appear in front of you. You have to click on first one, which is create an account. After clicking on this link, this interface will appear in front of you, which is Daraz.pk seller accounts interface. Okay, so here you have to write your contact numbers, and then after you have to drag this scroll till this. After completing this part, you will be moved to the next interface. This interface will appear in front of you. We have a verification box in which different types of pictures and different type of instructions will be written at the top of this box. Like as you can see, release the slider immediately after 2 cars fully appear. It means that we have multiple cars behind this scroll. When you saw only 2 cars, you have to stop there. That's it. Just move or drag from left to right. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Any issue? Yes, you can use your mobile as well. You can make your Daraz seller account on your mobile and or your PC. Any type of device that you have, like laptop, like personal computer, or like smartphone.
And the process is same?
Yes, the process is same. Little bit difference between in the interface. like the interface on mobile may be a little bit different than the interface on desktop. Okay, so you have to understand the interface. Okay, after that, this interface will be in front of you, at where you can create an account by putting your phone number. After that, a verification code will be sent to your phone WhatsApp. You have to explore that number and put it over here within 30 seconds. Okay, fine. After that, you have to sorry, you have to write your desired password. The password must contain capital letters, small letters, numbers, or some other alphanumeric keys or special characters like at, like hashtag, any type of special character you can use in your password. After that, you have to click on create account. After clicking on create account, you have this interface. Like you have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4 steps for your account. First of all, you have to write the brand name over here, as I wrote Lush brand. It was in my mind at that time, so I wrote this name. You can write the name that you want to be your store's name. Okay, the Gmail account, you must have your own Gmail account. The Gmail account, it is quite fine or okay if you use a unique Gmail account only for Daraz, instead of using a common Gmail account which you are using at any interface. Is that okay? Okay, now here will be your phone number, which is already written the last interface. Now you have to write here your city, your sector, your house number. These instructions should be here, and then you have to step pick up address, return address. Both are same. That's why I have marked both pointers. Then I have moved to next. After that, you have to mark on I am individual. You can also click on I am a sole trader or incorporate business. But if you have some business, which business means a registered business. If you are a beginner, if you want to start from your home or a room or any type of a shelf, you have to click on I am an individual. Is that clear? Because for a sole trader, you have to follow more complex instructions. So keep it simple. You have to click on I am an individual. After that, you have to upload your CNIC ID card, front picture and back picture. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, after that, you have to put your ID card number over here, your name, and then after you have to put a screenshot of mobile app, mobile banking screenshot. Like I have used the NeaPay account, that's why I have used the screenshot of NeaPay. If you want which type of screenshot should be there, as you can see this example, this is the interface in front of you. If you have a NeaPay account, or you have a Jazz Cash account, or you have a Easy Pesa account, you have this type of interface. On this type, you have to click on three dots, and after that you have the profile picture, and over there you can see your profile interface. Okay, now these instructions will be in front of you. You have to put these values, or the computer by itself extract all these values from your screenshot. Okay, after that you have to click on next. A message will be appear on your screen. Review appears on the screen. A message for review, it means that the whole information that you have already submitted to your seller account the team will review that information, and after some time, which may be 24 hours, 48 hours, an email from the team of the raw seller account will be received by your same email address that you have applied on this account. Is that clear? Okay, like this. Verification in progress. Our team is reviewing your documents. Expect a response within 48 hours. Thank you for your patience. Is that clear? Now you can add new products over here. If you have products in bulk quantity, like I have a store and I have to upload 20, 30 or 40 products meanwhile, then I have to click over here. If I have only one product, then I have to click here. If I have already uploaded the products, then I have to click here. Is that clear? This was the complete procedure for making a Daraz seller account. Okay, thank you ji.